Hi everyone, my name is Duy, and today I'm excited to present Bug Hunter, an AI-powered code debugging agent that helps developers instantly find and fix bugs in their code. It was built during Kaggle 5-day AI agent course with Google. Bug Hunter supports 6 programming languages: Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, Go, and Rust. In this demo, I'll show you how Bug Hunter detects bugs, suggests fixes, and verifies that the fixed code actually works. Let me paste a Python code example that finds duplicate elements in an array. This code works, but it has a performance issue. Then you can hit Find Bugs and wait for the analysis. Here we go. Bug Hunter analyzes the code and detects time complexity as O(n) cube because of nested loops combined with list membership checks, and also space complexity is O(n). It also provides fixed code suggestion using Python sets to reduce time complexity to O(n). It also provides strengths of your code and recommendation. And here is the fixed code. Okay, so let me apply this. And then we will find bugs again to verify it works. This is explanation. You can remove it if you don't like. Okay, and now you can see there's a big change. It's the time complexity from O(n) cube to O(n). That's much faster. To prove Bug Hunter is reliable, I also built an evaluation suite with 10 test cases covering syntax errors, logic errors, performance issues, and security vulnerabilities. After clicking on Run Evaluation, it will take about 3 to 5 minutes, so be patient to get the results. When I run evaluation, it's just about 4 to 5 tests pass immediately. The remaining tests hit the Gemini API daily quota limit, so that's why they fell. I will clear this example and paste another code that tests the security. Then click Find Bugs to test. As you can see, it will pop up the warning message. Bug Hunter also has enterprise-grade security. If I paste malicious code, the policy saver plug it immediately. Here's a quick look at the architecture. User interface send code to the flag saver. Then the policy saver scan for dangerous patterns. The sandbox execute code safely with a 5-second timeout. Agent skills provide language-specific analysis instructions. And the last one is Gemini AI analyzes the code and returns structured results. This is a complete agent system, not just a simple API wrapper. This project demonstrates 6 out of 6 key concepts from the course, including agent system, security features, agent skills, evaluation, MCP server, and live deployment. Thank you for watching. Bug Hunter is live and open source. Here are the link and QR code of live demo and GitHub. Bug Hunter shows how AI agent can save developers hours of debugging time every day. I hope you found this useful. Thank you.